Look up! There's a vibrant macaw flying overhead, its brilliant colors a feast for the eyes. Now can you hear the calming calls of howler monkeys? Their deep, resonant sounds echo through the trees, bringing a sense of peace. As we move deeper, notice the soft croak of a tree frog. It's like nature's lullaby, soothing your mind and soul. Over there, a sloth is hanging lazily from a branch, embodying the essence of relaxation. Let's not forget the gentle hum of cicadas, blending seamlessly with the symphony of the forest. Each sound, each creature contributes to this calming natural orchestra.